at the cultural orientation of Shivaji College. Shivaji College is a 60-year-old institution that has always strived towards excellence in learning and holistic development as of its students as a part of Delhi University. And a big part of that mission are our seven cultural societies. And today's orientation will familiarize everyone with all of them and how they are proud representatives of our college. With that, we move towards a long standing tradition that our college follows before every ceremony and event, the lighting of the sacred lamp of knowledge.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते।
We now proceed towards the reciting of the Saraswati Vandana, and I request everyone to join us in spirit as this auspicious melody is recited.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृतिभिः देवी सदा पूजिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निषेधजाड्यापः ॐ शान्ति।
Now, I would like to invite the Cultural Committee convener, Anshu ma'am, to address our virtual gathering. Ma'am, the virtual dais is yours for your address.
Thank you so much. I would like to welcome all the freshers, all the first year students to this virtual cultural orientation. Welcome you all. As you must have just seen that it takes a lot of effort to organize a virtual orientation of any sort. So it's not easy, and I congratulate the entire Anchorage team for doing this. Now, as first year students, you must be confused. What is Anchorage? What is Cultural Committee? And what are the seven different societies? So Anchorage is the one which takes care of all the seven societies, sub-societies that we have in our cultural committee. And so it is, you have a president, you have a vice president who takes care of, coordinates all the seven societies together. Apart from that, we have seven different societies in the cultural committee, which includes your dance, which is known by the name Footloose. Then you have theater, Vayam, which is very, very well known in Delhi University circuit. In fact, all our societies are very well known. We have a debating society, then we have a very good photography society. So we have a fine arts society. So what we'll be doing over here, we'll be orienting you to all these different societies, what these societies do, and how they organize the events throughout the year. Like we have some people from the debating, so people who are interested in debates, they can join the debating society. People who are interested in arts and crafts, they can join the WIPCure, which is a very good society for art and craft. And then you have Shutterbug. So as we progress for this orientation program, you'll get to see all these societies and you'll get to see the functioning of these societies. So what I want to say over here and share over here is that this is all the students' work, student society. Teachers are just there to just guide you. So we are like we function together as a team, students and teachers. So you have different council heads for each society. So you would be having the presidents of different societies. So they'll be functioning along with several teachers we have in this cultural committee. The teachers are there just to guide, but everything else that the students are there to, the president and the vice president and the other members are there to guide you how to go about it. We have a very nice fashion society also. Some of the colleges don't have fashion societies, so ours is one of the college which has a very good fashion society. Unfortunately, due to COVID, we couldn't have a face-to-face meeting with you and meet you in person. Normally we do these kind of orientation in the college auditorium, but that cannot happen due to the COVID. And hopefully we get to see you in 2021 and we get to meet you in person. But till then, till that time, I'm sure these societies must have lined up a number of events which they can do online virtually with you people and with other colleges also. And I'm sure that you will benefit a lot by choosing one of these societies if you're really keen to do that. Thank you so much once again. Welcome again to Shivaji College and to the cultural committee if you want to be part of this. And I would now hand over the mic to the person who's organizing this and take it forward from there. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Anshu ma'am. Now, I would like to invite Anand Kumar Pandey, the president of Anchorage, the cultural committee of Shivaji College, to address the gathering and tell everyone about what Anchorage is and what it does.
Hello. Hello. I'm audible,
Yeah.
visible, clear.
Yes,
Yes,
Anand, you're audible.
And if you can please tell others to put their mics on mute, please, because there's a lot of background noise.
Yes, ma'am. Kindly mute everyone. So we'll start. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your thank you for your words. So, and I welcome you all freshers on the behalf of Anchorage, the cultural committee of Shivaji College. The cultural committee.
Anand, we can't hear you.
हेलो मैम मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yeah. आ रही है, अब आ रही है.
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम था.
No problem.
The college has very vibrant cultural committee Anchorage that provides a platform for students to showcase their talent and creativity. There are 7 societies under cultural committee such as Jektam, the debating society, Shutterbugs, the photography society, River, the music society, Bizarre, the fashion society, Footloose, the Western dance society, WIPCure, the fine art society, and YM, the theatre society. The activities cultural committee is largely student driven. And the guidance by the faculty with the proper guidance by the faculty members. Besides helping students in honing their talent and skills, the committee organized various different events such as our annual cultural event, Virasat Picnic, Virasat, and our annual college annual cultural event, Vibrations. Anchorage aims to promote ethnicity amongst the student by organizing and conducting various events for identifying and nurturing the inherent talent and provide a platform to exhibit their skill in various art forms. And the mission of Anchorage is to look the functioning of different cultural society, to interact with them and ensure the smooth functioning, also organize cultural fest and various cultural events. Anchorage, the cultural committee organized the two main events. One is the Virasat, the Stick Make. There are some glimpses of Stick Make event we've organized. We have organized on October 2019. The various artists from the cultural heritage showing various performances such as music or etc. Vibrations, the annual cultural fest of Shivaji College, is a two-day event held in February every year. Day one, in the fest involves various events like Western dance competition, Tasmania, and there is a band in previous year, Moonfully. Performance by various artists in Vibrations 2019. The Bismil, the multi-genre back rock band in Vibrations 2020. Day two Vibrations is amalgamation of music, theatre, and social issues were brought under, of course, the street play competition, the event Swarajali, the singing competition of the singing competition, where various talented singers under one roof captivate the audience with their mesmeric performance. The festival conclude with a grand note with a star night featuring Bollywood singer Zubin Nautiyal in Vibrations 2020 and Benny Dayal in Vibrations 29. I welcome you all again and thank you on the behalf of Anchorage and look forward to host you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Anand. Now we move towards the specific introductions of each cultural society. First off, get your screens ready for some glam and glitter as we now introduce to you the fashionista of our cultural societies. I now invite the society representatives, Snigdha and Janvi of Bizarre, the fashion society of Shivaji College, to tell us about their society, their work, and their goals. Snigdha and Janvi, you can begin whenever you're ready.
Yeah, just a minute.
Is there a technical issue? Then you can ask the second society to show their screen if there's a
Yes, ma'am.
technical issue.
Yes, I don't know.
So,
The net is not working.
Okay, so probably,
Can we just
just skip Bizarre for the time being and we can start with the next society. We can come back to them later.
yes, ma'am. Sure, that's not an issue. So, once again, moving forward, in the words of Joseph Joubert, it's better to debate a question without settling it than to settle a question without debating it. With that, I would
ना
like to.
आईटी का चल रहा है तो इसके बाद आप स्टार्ट करना.
With that, I would like to invite the society representatives, Aparna and Nani of Dictum, the debating society of Shivaji College, to tell us about what Dictum does and what its objectives are.
हाय एवरीवन, मैं अपर्णा, डिक्टम हिंदी विंग की प्रेसिडेंट, सारे फ्रेशर्स का तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ और साथ ही मैं अभी कुछ शब्दों में डिक्टम के बारे में बताना चाहूँगी। डिक्टम शिवाजी कॉलेज की वाद विवाद समिति यानी कि डिबेटिंग सोसाइटी है। डिक्टम की स्थापना सन 2005 में हुई थी और आज यह दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय डिबेटिंग सर्किट के प्रतिष्ठित समितियों में से एक है। डिक्टम में इंग्लिश विंग और हिंदी विंग दोनों ही हैं ताकि हमारे सदस्य जिस भी भाषा में अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करना चाहे कर सकते हैं। हम काफी सक्रियता से पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ डिबेटिंग यानी कि संसदीय वाद विवाद प्रतियोगिता और कन्वेंशनल फॉर्म ऑफ डिबेटिंग यानी कि पारंपरिक वाद विवाद प्रतियोगिता में अपनी प्रतिभागिता दिखाते हैं। इनके अलावा भी हम दूसरे प्रकार के प्रतियोगिता में अपनी प्रतिभागिता सुनिश्चित करते हैं, जैसे कि टर्न कोर्ट, इलोक्यूशन, यूथ पार्लियामेंट इत्यादि। डिक्टम ना सिर्फ आपके एकेडमिक्स में हेल्प करता है, बल्कि आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को एक नए लेवल पे लेकर जाता है। डिक्टम अपने हर एक सदस्य के पूर्ण विकास में बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाती है। हम एक सोसाइटी के तौर पर हर सदस्य के निरंतर विकास के लिए काम करते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा मानना है कि हर इंसान में अपने विचारों को अभिव्यक्त करने की क्षमता होती है, बस जरूरत है तो उनके आत्मविश्वास को बढ़ाने की। अब हम बात करते हैं डिक्टम के इवेंट्स की। डिक्टम हर साल कुछ इवेंट्स का आयोजन करती है, जो कि हमारे सक्रियता को ना सिर्फ शिवाजी कॉलेज में बल्कि पूरे डीयू डिबेटिंग सर्किट में दिखाती है। हमारा पहला इवेंट है शिवाजी भोसले वाद विवाद प्रतियोगिता। यह 3 दिनों का वार्षिक आयोजन है जो कि डिक्टम के द्वारा आयोजित किया जाता है। इसमें इंग्लिश कन्वेंशनल डिबेट और हिंदी पार्लियामेंट्री डिबेट का आयोजन किया जाता है, जिसमें अलग-अलग कॉलेजेस और यूनिवर्सिटी जैसे कि यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिल्ली, जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी, जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया और भी बहुत सारे जगहों से बच्चे अपनी प्रतिभागिता दिखाते हैं। इस इवेंट की काफी लोकप्रियता है डीयू डिबेटिंग सर्किट में और पिछले साल ही हमने शिवाजी भोसले के 5 साल पूरे किए हैं। हमारा दूसरा इवेंट है छत्रपति शिवाजी महोत्सव। यह इंग्लिश कन्वेंशनल डिबेट है जिसका आयोजन डिक्टम करती है श्री छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज मेमोरियल नेशनल कमेटी के साथ कोलैबोरेट करके। यह संगठन शिवाजी महाराज और उनके मूल्यों को समर्पित है। हमारा जो तीसरा इवेंट है वो है अथीना। यह टर्न को डिबेट है जो कि हम अपने एनुअल कल्चरल फेस्ट पे ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, जो कि वाइब्रेशंस है। अब मैं नैनी जो कि डिक्टम इंग्लिश विंग की प्रेसिडेंट है उसे बुलाना चाहूंगी ताकि वो आकर आप सबको यह बताए कि डिक्टम इंटरनली कैसे काम करती है और डिक्टम के अचीवमेंट्स क्या रहे हैं। नैनी।
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Nani, you are audible.
Yeah. Hi guys, this is Nani Mittal, the president of the English wing of the Debating Society. So I am here to brief you all about the sessions that we host, the competitions, the wins, and why you should all join Dictum, right? So the formats of the debating which are being talked about by Aparna are the conventional and the parliamentary form of debating. I would like you to just know about it because there is an inherent stereotype attached to debating that debating is something which is boring and you shouldn't be joining this society when it comes to cultural or having fun, right? But when we talk about debating, it is not what we used to do in school, right? We used to get a topic and then we mug it up and speak it up. It is actually the parliamentary form of debating, wherein we just get the topic 15 minutes prior to our debate and we are supposed to give speeches on the real time. So that is how you develop perspective. That is how you develop analysis. In the sessions that we hold, we invite our alumni also, and we have the discussions on the political issues that are happening and the discussion. So even the pandemic hadn't stopped us. We are keeping the sessions online, and you wouldn't be missing anything even if you join the society this time, right? And when we talk about, we all have such discussions with our friends on the celebrities, on the influencers, but you can still have those discussions about the political ideologies as well, the political discussions, and this still are equally fun, right? When you walk into a room, you should have something substantial to offer to the discussion, and Dictum is a platform which gives you that rationale, which gives you that perspective. Now when we talk about the competition, because when a certain college represents itself in the different colleges, it meets with new people, it meets with the different colleges of the debating circuit, it meets with the different universities as talked by Aparna, then Shivaji College is one of those colleges which has represented itself in all the forms of debating competitions, be it national level, debating circuit competition, the competitions of the different universities, and we have proved that what talent Shivaji has got, right? And then we talk, I am very proud to share with you all that we have got over 65 plus wins in the session 2019 to 2020, and we are hoping to increase it further in the upcoming session as well. We are really proud to share with you a certain win which we have got in the year 2019. That is a running trophy of the B.R. Ambedkar Memorial Debate. It is a 28-year-old trophy in the debating circuit, and Dictum has won it last year. And we are really, really proud to have this trophy with us, and we are hoping that we'll keep it in the further session as well. This is we all request you to please register for the auditions. Come see how we all work and see whether it is a cup of your tea or not. Don't stereotype it on the basis of the debating. Come, have fun, see what we do, and then decide whether you should be doing or not. For the process of auditions, when we'll be having it, what is the process of registration, please stay tuned to us on the Instagram page of depthtalk_Shivaji College. You can DM us anytime all your queries, and we'll be happy to serve you. Thank you so much, people. Thank you for your patience, and we hope to see you at the audition. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nani and Aparna. Before we move forward, can I just ask the society representatives of Bizarre if they are ready to give their introduction?
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Sure. So then in that case, once again, get your screens ready for some glam and glitter as we now introduce to you the fashionista of our cultural societies. I now invite the society representatives, Snigdha and Janvi of Bizarre, the fashion society of Shivaji College, to tell us about their society, work, and their goals.
Good morning, all. I am Snigdha, the president of Bizarre, the fashion society of Shivaji College. The aim of the society is to provide a platform to future models, designers, and entrepreneurs. Our main motive is to enhance stage walks and break stereotypes. We have our own set of choreographers, own designers, own makeup artists, and everything. Making a show successful from the scratch without depending on any external expertise. Our main emphasis is on self-reliance, and the members of the society share a very close bond by working together throughout the year on stage and off stage. Our models, both male and female, portray a great degree of confidence on stage. We focus on incorporating haunting social issues of society on stage through the medium of fashion. Each and every costume of ours depicts issues that are needed to be addressed to the people. During this pandemic, nothing has changed for us, making small efforts each day, inspiring, motivating, and never giving up. We aim to present fashion tailored in socially relevant themes. Our strength and dedication has garnered the interest of almost every student in first year, and every year best are selected in the audition held at the beginning of the academic year. For us, fashion and standing for what thrice goes hand in hand, as we don't see ourselves just as a fashion society revolving around beauty. We believe in the idea of beauty with purpose. Now I would like to hand over to Janvi. Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Jamni Madan and I'm currently the Vice President of Bizarre. I hope that everybody is well and safe during this time. I entered this place a year ago with a completely different opinion and mindset. Like, that thrill to be a performer or to be on that ramp. It was remarkable how things gradually changed for me
my outlook and the way I perceive things. I learned to be a performer, but I got to know that how much efforts are needed behind the stage for just one performance to be successful. I'm very proud, and I would love to give you a brief introduction about our significant contribution that we made throughout the year. We bagged the first
Because
position at Bhaskaracharya College,
Will
Delhi
your
University.
compliment at
We earned the second place at IIM Amritsar, where we made some everlasting memories and gained a lot of experience. We started off with the most important thing, that was planning and implementing our unique theme, that is utopia versus reality, and we gained recognition for it. We were able to present our theme to our peers, seniors, teachers at Vibrations 2020. We organized a fashion show called Panache. The event was a great success and was very well received by all the teams who participated. Please do have a look at the calendar, and don't forget to stay updated regarding the registrations and auditions for Bazaar this year by following our page on Instagram, that is Bazaar_the Fashion Society. DM us anytime regarding any query or any doubt that you guys have. So I'm going to end this with a note that Bazaar is the place that will help you achieve the most. We have explored a lot, and a lot of it is yet to be explored. So we would love to welcome new members of our small yet big family. Thank you.
thank you so much, Snigdha and Janvi. Now, moving forward, I would like to introduce another society. Dance is an art form, and this group of people certainly know how to break a leg and cut loose. With that, I would like to invite the society representative. Yes? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I thought they were concluded.
यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार। यारो मोहब्बत ही तो बंदगी है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो दिलबर हो यार, जिसको तुझसे हो प्यार, कोई तो दिलबर हो यार। तेरी हर एक बुराई पे डांटे वो दोस्त, गम की हो धूप तो साया बने तेरा वो दोस्त। नाचे भी वो तेरी खुशी में,
Right. Now, thank you to Snigdha and Janvi. Moving further forward, dance is an art form, and this group of people certainly know how to break a leg and cut through. With that, I would like to invite the society representative, Garima, of Footloose, the Western Dance Society of Shivaji College.
Hello everyone, I'm Garima, the president of Footloose, which is the Western Dance Society of Shivaji College. So first of all, welcome to the college life. अब ये आपके हाथ में है कि आप इसको अच्छा कैसे बनाएं और उसी के लिए बनी है societies. So I'll tell you a bit about Footloose. Basically, we participate in Western group dance competition every year where we perform our annual production, and yes, we work as a team, not as an individual. और आपको यहाँ पे सिर्फ डांस ही नहीं, उसके अलावा बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है और आपको लोगों को जानने का मौका मिलता है, उनसे आप इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, मतलब बहुत फ़न है सीरियसली. और कमिंग टू द फन फैक्टर, वो आप वीडियो में ही देखेंगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट.
दुनिया है मेरे पीछे, लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे. अपना बना ले मेरी जान. हाय रे मैं तेरे
Yeah, ain't tryna be cool like you. Wobbling around in your high heel shoes, I'm clumsy. Made friends with the floor. 2 for 1, you know a bitch by 4. And 2 left feet, you know I always drop. First thing a girl did was a bop. And the whole damn cake and the cherry on top. Shook up the bottom, made a good girl pop. You ain't even here to party. Ken in the club tryna pipe a Barbie. I don't wanna go with the flow back then until I touch my toes. I don't wanna roll the boat. Wrist full of rocks and I hope I float. Big up yourself cause you know they don't. I chew cause they hope I show. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass.
दिलकश थी वो शाम पहले पहल जबकि तुमसे मिली थी नजर. ऐसा चक्कर आया कि अब ये मैं जानू के जाऊं तो जाऊं किधर. तुम सामने थी पल, अगले ही पल थी उछल. अब क्या बताऊं मैं, इस हाल में हूँ मैं. यहाँ बना बस अपना दिल और होश ढूंढता हूँ मैं. मनहोशी दीवानगी तो कभी यूं मुझको ना ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं, लो जैसे साहिल मिला। लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, ओ मेरे सोनिया वे छड़ सारी गलियां में, नाल तेरे तुर चलिया में, ले चलूं मुझको दुनिया से तू दूर। बने बने कह के ओ नचदी, हाय तेरा टपड़ो, हाय तेरा नचड़ो, शामा शामा कह के ओ नचदी, हाय तेरा टपड़ो, हाय तेरा नचड़ो। अड्डी ਹੁਣ ਚੱਕ ਕੇ ਨੀ ਲੱਕੜੂ ਕਮਾਵੇਂ, ਪੈਰੀ ਨੀ ਪੰਜੇ ਬਾਬਾ ਕੇ ਨੱਚ ਕੇ ਵਿਖਾਵੇਂ, ਬੋਲੀਆਂ ਮੈਂ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਨੀ ਆ ਕੇ, ਇੱਕ ਠੁਮਕਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਨੀ ਪੂਰੇ ਕਲੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਹਿਲਾਵੇ। ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਨੀ ਸਣਾ, ਤਾਂ ਤੂੰ ਸ਼ਰਮਾਵੇਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਹੋਵਾਂ, ਛੱਡ ਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਗਮ, ਮਹਿਬੂਬਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਬਣ, ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ, ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਤੂੰ ਮਿਲੋ ਵਾਲੀ ਐ, ਨੀ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ ਤੇਰੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਾਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਐ, ਨੀ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ।
ਨੱਚਦੇ ਟੱਪਦੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਓਏ, ਖੁੱਲ ਗਏ ਬਲੈਕ ਕਲਰ ਦੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਵਾਲ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਓਏ, ਤੂੰ ਕੀਤਾ ਜੋ ਦਿਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਫਰ, ਤੂੰ ਕੀਤਾ ਜੋ ਦਿਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਫਰ, ਝਟਪਟ ਮੈਂ ਮੰਨ ਗਈ, ਮੈਂ ਮੰਨ ਗਈ, ਮੈਂ ਮੰਨ ਗਈ। ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੀ, ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੀ, ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਬਣ ਗਈ, ਉਹ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਗੱਲ ਬਣ ਗਈ, ਬਣ ਗਈ। ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਲੜ ਗਈ, ਉਹ ਲੜ ਗਈ ਅੱਖ ਲੜ ਗਈ, ਲੜ ਗਈ। ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਬਣ ਗਈ, ਉਹ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਗੱਲ ਬਣ ਗਈ, ਬਣ ਗਈ।
It's been about a month and 20 days, and we're going round and round playing silly games. Now you're saying slow it down, not right now. Then you wink at me and walk away. ये क्या किया मैं बेताब हो गया, तेरे बिना मुझे नहीं जीना, क्या यही प्यार है। बन जाओ तुम मेरे सनम, कैसे हुआ दिल खो गया।
Thank you so much to Garima. Now we move further forward and talk about a different group of people. This group of people are the proverbial nightingales of our college. It's time to reach a high note and invite the society representative, Keshav of Reverb, the Music Society of Shivaji College.
Keshav, are you there?
Good morning, everyone. Yeah, hi, Anand. I'm here. So, good morning, everyone. My name is Keshav, and I'm the president of Music Society of Shivaji College, Reverb. And today I'm going to introduce you to our society, and I'm going to talk about all my experiences, all the learnings we have been seeing in the past 2 years, and what we are looking forward to impart to the freshers, to the first years. So Reverb, the Music Society of Shivaji College, lets in all the talent by students and give them an excellent opportunity to showcase their vocal and instrumental talent in front of a numerable and favorable audience. We not only give that, we also provide you a platform with finest musical exposure. Uh, we interact with the people of industry, music industry, Bollywood industry.
हम जोन लोड को लेने चाहिए में नहीं खेल सके छी हार्दिक पांड्या या छठा बॉलर विकल्प नहीं देंगे
Also, the fine musical exposure makes your 3 years worth remembering. I'm looking for the next slide, Panya. Reverb, not only that, Reverb also participates in different musical competitions, and also we give live performances and jam across Delhi and in colleges and their fairs. And these competition offer diverse genres for us to practice and perform in, such as light Bollywood, the semi-classical genre, Western genre, classical genre, or instrumental. And these categories varies in solo, duet, and group competitions. So also the society takes part in different cultural events, like we perform live jams in annual day, orientation program, the departmental fest, and the farewell. And members of Reverb have been actively participating in the diverse fest season every year. And the previous fest season got us around 24 prizes in different categories and 3 special mentions. And this is the brief introduction to our achievements previous year. So also there's a very memorable fun element associated with our society. We take part in different outstation fest every year. For example, Mood Indigo, the annual cultural fest of IIT Bombay, and many others. And these yearly trips are great experiences for each and every member of our society. So personally talking, Reverb has been a legacy for me. It's a legacy of experiences, of learnings, and the best exposure one can ask for. Some of the alumni of our society have taken up music as their career and they perform professionally. Here I'd like to mention a very renowned artist of our college, Mr. Rohit Chawla. He was president of Reverb for the year 2014-15, and currently he is a member of Jugni Band. It's a Delhi-based band, and it performs shows nationwide and internationally. And also he has been a part of Bollywood industry. So the musical family of Shivaji College is open for all the talented musicians out there. Therefore, the Council of Reverb invites all the music enthusiasts to come and audition for the family. The details and the registration process, the details will be out soon. You can follow us on our Instagram handle. It's reverb_music society, and we'll be updating you with all the details. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time. That's all from my side.
Thank you, Keshav. Now, moving forward, although memories are captured in our minds and our hearts, this committee is all about capturing them.
गाना सुनो।
कैसे तुझको दिखाऊं यहाँ है क्या मैंने झरने से पानी मां तोड़ के पिया है गुच्छा गुच्छा सा ये ख्वाबों का उछल के छुआ है छाया लिए खुली धूप यहाँ है नया नया सहनूप यहाँ सब कुछ है माँ फिर भी लगे दिन तेरे मुझको अकेला इस लिफाफे पे लिखा है दिल से मैंने बिस्मिल्लाह तूने क्या कर डाला मिल गई मैं मिल गई मैं रोजी आज हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी दीवानी तेरी दीवानी दीवानी तूने क्या कर डाला मिल गई मैं मिल गई मैं रोजी आज हो गई मैं थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you so much. Now, we would like to move forward to a different society. And I'll make the introduction by saying a very simple proverb. Although memories are captured in our minds and our hearts, this committee is all about capturing them in their cameras. I now invite the society representative of Shutterbugs, the Photography Society of Shivaji College, to tell us about their society and what they work upon and do.
Hi, this is Chinmay, and I am accompanied by Sanya from Shutterbugs, the Photography and Filmmaking Society of Shivaji College. Our society consists of two divisions, photography and filmmaking, which includes a script writing wing. Our activities include regular photo walks, workshops on photography, filmmaking, and script writing, an annual production, Cinedrome, our annual event, an exhibition showcasing our work and achievements, covering events and festivals, and organizing various competitions. Our society conducts various workshops on different aspects of photography, filmmaking, and script writing. We also hold regular photo walks to practically apply the skills that we've learned.
Next, we have our script writing wing, which is an integral part of the society. It aims to bring out the writer in all of us and pen down great stories in the form of scripts, which serves as the blueprint for our annual production. Every year, our filmmaking division works on a short film, the foundation to which is provided by our script writers. Cinedrome, our annual event, consists of various competitions. Our online events include Luminum, the online photography competition, and Siahi, the online script writing competition. In our offline events, we have ClickLock, the on the spot photography competition, and we also organize an exhibition showcasing our work and achievements. This was just a little introduction of our society. If you will enter in this world, you'll get to know what actually our society is. So, if you have a zeal for photography and interest in filmmaking or creating great stories, this is the right place for you. Whether you have a camera or just a phone, Shutterbugs welcomes you all. Thank you. You can follow us on Instagram, shutterbugs.shivaji.
Thank you so much. Now we'd like to move further forward. I'm sorry, was someone speaking?
It's okay, you can carry on. It's okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Right. Moving further forward, we move to the next society. Expression is an art that is hidden somewhere in all of us, and theater is the place where this skill can be honed and showed. I would now like to invite the society representative of Vayam, the Dramatic Society of Shivaji College, to tell us something about themselves and their work.
Karan, I would just like to interrupt you for a moment. We have the society head, faculty head, Dr. Darshan Pandey here, I think, with us. So probably he can just say a few words. Dr. Darshan Pandey, if he can hear me.
Yes, ma'am, sure, of course.
Yeah. Dr. Darshan, can you hear me? Darshan Pandey ji? Anyway, carry on. Maybe he can't hear us, so it's okay. Just carry on.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah.
So, with that, we would like to invite the society representatives of Vayam, the Dramatics and Theatre Society of Shivaji College, to tell us something about their society and their work.
Hello everyone, I'm Manila. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. I don't want this introduction to be just a formality, so I think I'll try my best to introduce this society the way it deserves. So Vayam is not just a society. It's not just about theater. यहाँ पे एक परिवार रहता है, एक फीलिंग रहती है, एक एनर्जी रहती है जो तुम्हें मतलब मोटिवेट करती है कि तुम आगे कुछ सीखो। ओके, सो ये स्टार्ट कैसे हुआ था? ये स्टार्ट सिर्फ 3 लोगों से हुआ था और वयम इज वन ऑफ द इनिशियल सोसाइटीज इन दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी। सो ये स्टार्ट सिर्फ 3 या 4 लोगों से हुआ था। अष्टम नीलकंठ भैया और परितोष त्रिपाठी भैया were the main founders of this society, and it started with a duffly. Okay, now this society has achieved so much in last 14 years. It's been here for last 14 years. That I am actually kind of emotional about this society. Okay, I'm really sorry. So Vayam was founded by Ashtam Nilkant Bhaiya, and it has a very great alumni circle. आप सबने फ्लेम्स देखा होगा, आप सबने अ सूटेबल बॉय देखा होगा जिसमें तान्या मनिकताला ने स्टार किया है। देन आप सबने, आई डोंट नो आप सब टीवी अभी देखते हो या नहीं देखते हो, तो उसमें सुपर डांसर में परितोष त्रिपाठी भैया मामा जी बन के आते हैं, और अभी रिसेंटली लूडो आई है उसमें भी उन्होंने प्ले किया है। उसके बाद यहाँ से बहुत अच्छे-अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स निकले हैं, अमित तिवारी भैया हो गए, बहुत अच्छे-अच्छे कमर्शियल एक्टर्स निकले हैं, लक्ष्य भैया हो गए, और काफ़ी सारी ऐसी पर्सनैलिटीज़ यहाँ से निकली हैं। और आई डोंट थिंक कि हमें यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक्टर्स चाहिए, हमें यहाँ पे राइटर्स चाहिए, हमें यहाँ पे रीडर्स चाहिए, हमें यहाँ पे परकशनिस्ट चाहिए, डायरेक्टर्स चाहिए। तो आपके अंदर अगर कोई भी टैलेंट है और आपको लगता है कि आपके अंदर कोई टैलेंट नहीं है, तो भी आप एक बार वयम में रजिस्टर करो, ट्राई करो वयम को। वो आपके अंदर एक ऐसी ज़ील जगा देगा कि आपको कोई ना कोई टैलेंट अपने अंदर दिख जाएगा। और दैट्स इट। थैंक यू सो मच।
फोटो लगाते हैं। अरे बेटा, फोटो तो हम लगाना चाहते थे जया बहादुरी का। ओ बापू, ओ माँ, अरे ये अपने कैसे हो?
ब्रदर, सपने से याद आया, कल रात मैंने एक और सपना देखा। उस सपने में मैं खाली रेगिस्तान में अकेला चला जा रहा हूँ, ब्रदर मैं गिर जाता हूँ। ब्रदर मैं मुड़कर देखता हूँ तो एक चिराग, समझ लो यही, और मैं इसको दिखता हूँ खींचे इसमें से हुक करके एक जीनी निकल आता है। ब्रदर वो जीनी मुझसे कहता हुकुम कर मेरे आका।
क्यों रे? सजना अच्छा लगता है तुझे? सजेगी अपनी माँ जैसी बनेगी। लगता है बाजार में नई कलियों का मौसम आने वाला है।
अरे कैसा फड़फड़ा रही है मच्छी के मुंह पे आई मस्त चले लिए अपन मसाक कली ला रहा मसाक कले पूरी नहीं तेरी पासे
लगता है बरस पड़ने वाली है।
अरे भैया कहाँ को आ रहे हो कहाँ को जा रहे हो बिना गाड़ी के हेलमेट चला रहे हो
अरे बस बिल्कुल हमसे काम नहीं हुआ के लिए इसलिए रास्ता के पीछे मुझे हेलमेट पहनता हूँ। बेटा कबाड़ी की दुकान है। पुराना सामान लेते हो? बात तो सही लगाओगे। काम करो कबाड़ी वाले।
क्या
हमको कभी ले लो।
You were the one that I found Solo banda solitepo Why didn't you tell me enough Solo banda solitepo I ponder in closure Remember the world that is out there for me to find Let me go passing by Let me go, come back in time. Let me be who I am. Oh, true this time. Let me go, passing by. Let me go, come back in time. Walking in the dark, barefoot in the night.
Thank you so much. We now move forward to the final society. As the name suggests, Vibgyor, the fine arts society of our college, is full of artistic experiences and other opportunities. I now invite their society representative to tell us about their vibrant society.
Greetings to one and all. Myself, Komal Goyal, President of Vibgyor, the Finance Society of Shivaji College. A very warm welcome to all our lovely freshers out there. Vibgyor, as the name itself suggests, is our very own beautiful and colorful society. It was founded in 2009, making this year as the 12th year of our family. We here aim to make the best out of raw artists and enhance their skills. Our society provides an excellent opportunity for you to learn from the experiences of other artists, brainstorm your ideas into gorgeous artworks, and helps in touching the depths of thinking and heights of imagination. Sometimes we also practice the basics because basics is all you need to create all the magic which you can. So yes, coming to our society, we every year we organize two events, namely Acrylica and Artistico. Acrylica is the annual fest of Vibgyor, and Artistico is a part of Vibrations, which is the annual cultural fest of Shivaji College. So in these events, we organize various competitions, workshops, exhibitions, and decorate the whole colleges from the experiences we have learned, make beautiful models and whatnot. Not only this, we organize competitions. Along with that, we participate in competitions and workshops organized by different colleges and other art institutes also, because this is what helps us grow. If we compete in the growing world, that's how we can grow ourselves. So yes, and most importantly, in between all this work and competition, the fun and the feeling of togetherness is what feels the most amazing. Uh, was someone saying something? Yeah, so even in the present situations, we are not giving up. Creative minds, you can say, right? So, yes, utilizing the toughest times of the world via online mode and helping artists to keep up with the process of learning and polishing their skills. So, since here we are talking about art and imagining through my words would be quite difficult, so let's see what we do and how much we enjoy through a short video. Yeah.
Welcome to the world united by art. WIPGEAR organizes various workshops every year. We invite our experienced seniors to share their valuable knowledge with us regularly in the form of workshops. They prepare us for multiple art competitions. We organized brainstorming workshop so that members get to touch depths of thinking and heights of imagination. To strengthen the roots, we organized basic sketching workshop. And finally, implemented decorating the building with hues of our creativity. Here are the glimpses of Acrylica, the annual fest of WIPGEAR. During Acrylica, we invite professional artists to teach us. And most importantly, we learn from each other, working together, helping one another. Amid all the work, having fun. We together are amazing. Never saying never, giving the best work in toughest times. the process of learning and creating continues. That's what makes us what we are. Vibgyor is not just a society, it's a family.
Thank you so much once again. With that, we come to an end as far as the society introduction is concerned. And I do believe that technical glitches aside, this was a very wonderful and informative orientation that will be very helpful to the freshers that have just entered their college life in our very own Shivaji College. Now, Anshu ma'am, would sir like to address us, or should we move forward?
You move forward. I don't think Darshan sir is here, so you can move forward.
Uh, so now I would like to invite Vritti, the Vice President of Anchorage, to the virtual dais.
Good afternoon, teachers and freshers. I hope all the freshers enjoyed this virtual cultural orientation. I hope now you guys must have a clear idea about which society you want to be associated with. So don't forget to fill the registration form for the same. It's available in the Instagram bio of Anchorage's official page. I would sincerely apologize for the technical glitches we were facing. And I would like to thank all the teachers and society members for their time and presence. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day ahead.
थैंक यू मैम. कुछ टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से थोड़ा सा रहा है इसमें एरर.
No, it is perfectly fine. Everybody understands that, and I congratulate you people once again for organizing such a wonderful cultural orientation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, everybody, and all the best to the freshers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
So registration forms are open. We are circulating the registration form. And